Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. So in previous class we were discussing about the exercise of first lesson. So we have completed up to puzzle and today D, true or false. There are 5 statements. We should tell whether it is true or false. First one, if 1 is subtracted from the greatest 6-digit number, we get the smallest 5-digit number. False. I'll show you one example. If we subtract 1 from the greatest 6-digit number, so 999999, this is the greatest 6-digit number. If I subtract 1 from this, we will get again the 6-digit number. Okay, they are telling we will get the smallest 5-digit number. So this is false. First one, you write false. Okay. Then second one. In skip counting, we start with a given number and write more numbers with the fixed gap. Yes. In skip counting, if we start skipping from one number, we will give a number and write more numbers with the fixed gap. Yes, in the skip count, in between the number to number, the gaps will be same. So, this is true. I'll show you. Suppose skip count 5, then 10, 15, 20. The distance gap between number to number here, how many? 5 to 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 5 numbers gap. Here 10 to 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again 5 numbers gap. So here also, so whatever skip count examples if you write, the gap of the middle of any number will be the same. So this is true. Then third one. A 5-digit number cannot be rounded off to the nearest 10,000. 5-digit number cannot be rounded off to nearest 10,000. So this one you round off for nearest. They are telling we cannot round off the 5-digit number to 10,000. We can do this. So round off this for nearest to 10,000. Just see. 10,000 is having how many digits? Zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 zeros. So 10,000 back places 1,000. Just think about this. This is 5. So next number increase 1. So it has become 40,000. We have done the one example. So they are telling a 5-digit number cannot be rounded off to nearest 10,000. No, we can do this. Yes, they are telling we cannot do this, but we can do this. So the statement is false. Next, fourth. The successor of the predecessor of a number is the number itself. See one number will take 25. Write the successor of it. 26. The successor of the number and predecessor of it is the number itself. Yes, this is true. I hope you understood it. The successor of the number, one number successor, either the predecessor, the number itself. Yes, this is true. Then fifth, the successor of 9,999 is the smallest 5-digit number. No, see. The successor of the successor, 9,999 is the smallest 5-digit number. No, this is false. Next, match the columns 1 to column 2. Okay, just write, I will write these questions. So, you have written First one was false, then true, then false, then true, and then false. E. Match the following, column 1 and this is column 2. Successor. Successor of 217632. Second one, smallest 5-digit number. 3. 99,999 rounded off to nearest tens. 4th, greatest number smaller than. Greatest number smaller than 9,99,999. Then 5th, smallest 5-digit palindrome. I hope I have told palindrome. I told you about palindrome yesterday only, I think. Yes, I told you. And this side, column 2, first one, then B, C, then D, 176. Okay. Now just read the sentences and think about it. Successor of 2,17,632. Just successor means increase one number. 2 means in this place we should get 3. So 2,17,633. So the answer is D. Smallest 5-digit number. Whatever they have given here, the smallest 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Answer is E. Next, 99,999 rounded off to nearest tens. So we'll do this. Nearest to tens means 1, 0. Then look at the place ones. So ones is more than 5. Next number increase 1. So if we increase 1, this will become 9,999 will become 10,000. Yes. So answer will be 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh. Third one. Answer is B. I hope you understood this. Once again I will repeat it. 99,999 round off to nearest tens. So if we round off it, it will become 1 lakh. So answer is B. Next, greatest number, the smallest, smaller than 9,99,999. So ಇದರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ 9,99,999 smaller than this means this is 98. Next, smallest 5-digit palindrome. See, all have joined, only one is remaining. This is palindrome or not? Yes, this is palindrome. I'll show you. So this is the number. If we write in the reverse order, see, this is 1, then 0, then 0, and the 0 and 1. See, again we got same number. This is known as the palindrome number. Okay. For example, I will show you one Kannada word. Nayana. Nayana. You write in reverse order. Na, ya, and na. This is also same Nayana. Yes. So if we write in the reverse order also, the word will not change. So these are called as palindrome words, and this is palindrome number. One more example you want? Vikata Kavi. Who is Vikata Kavi? Tenali Ramakrishna. So Tenali Ramakrishna is known as Vikata Kavi. I am telling about Kannada. Vikata Kavi anta yarige heltivi? Tenali Ramakrishna avarige heltivi. So our Vikata Kavi, this word we will write in a reverse order. Vi ka, now ta, this ka, again vi. Again read it, Vikata Kavi. So no change at all. If we write in a reverse order also, we will get the same word. This is known as palindrome. In number also that is same. I'll show you in number also. Yesterday I told you about this. Just see, reverse order I will write. This 3 I will write first, then 5, then 3, again 0, 3, 5, 3. Just see, any number has changed. How it is? 35,30,353. This is also 35,30,353. So if we write in reverse order, the number will not change. That is known as palindrome, and I hope. So dear, next question. Residents of colony A and B of a city contributed the following funds for flood relief fund. So colony A has given 2,23,800. Colony B has given 2,80,700. Which colony contributed more? So you should compare both the numbers. 2,23,800 with 2,18,700. Just compare first with the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. Both are same in digit. Next you should go for higher order, higher places. 2 lakh, 2 lakh. 23,000, 18,000. So which is big? 23 is big. So colony A is the amount of colony A is more than B. So answer colony A has contributed more. Okay, the project work, if you can do this, or else you can leave it. We will do that when school will start. So the last answer is colony A has contributed more than colony B. Thank you. Tomorrow we will start the second lesson. Thank you.